Welcome back, folks. We got a really straight and nice Nissan Xterra for you to enjoy. This is an S model, loaded up with the rack. Got the fogs, got the nicer alloy wheels, privacy glass, running boards, 5-passenger setup, Rockford Fosgate thumping sound. Nice truck, folks. Out of Pennsylvania, clean, one owner. Yep, only one owner on this vehicle, no accidents. And the body's really nice. Non-smoker truck, not all tore up, clean. Guaranteed credit approval, you bet. $995 starting down payment on this piece. Super nice truck. 4-wheel drive, of course, and they're fantastic in the snow. Super rugged V6 motor. 3 months, 4,500 miles over the drive line. Guaranteed credit approval. And a super nice one-owner piece. Check it out. Couple paycheck stubs. Bank statement. Big old smile. Free Carfax. Perfect Google reviews. Folks, we're here and we're ready to go. Got about 4 salespeople waiting to take your application. Got a couple finance guys waiting to get you approved. Got the detail guy waiting to give you your free detail. And you got me ready to film. DasCleveland.com.